guys, it's Patricia D and I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be on this look right here. I wanted to create this look because I'm obsessed with browns and neutral colors. As you guys know clearly from all of the makeup tutorials I've done, I've been obsessed with like neutral colors and earth tones. Oh, that's my colors. So anyway, long story short, I came across this palette here from Huda Beauty and I was inspired by it. I wanted to create a halo. I know you guys have not seen me in a while. That's because I don't know if you guys seen my last video. If you didn't, it'll be down in the description box. I did mention that I wanted to take a month away from social media to kind of recoup and, like, you know, recharge. So I have been doing that, and guys, if you have not done that, take the time to actually, you don't gotta do it like for a year or anything, but take maybe a week. Try a week. Start off with a week and see how you feel. Guys, you will feel so focused, so relaxed. Taking a week off social media helped me out and kind of made me focus more on like what my goals were. I wasn't like caught up in what everybody else is doing, what the trends are. It's like, yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna get to the video because I clearly talked a lot through the intro, and let's get to the video. First, we're gonna start with the Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna use that light orange as transition. I already did my eyebrows and primed my lid off camera, and I'm gonna jump into this orange color and kind of blend that in. Guys, I know my skin looks a little crazy right now, and that's because I've been doing a chemical peel, so I'm literally peeling as we speak. So I'm just gonna use that orange color and kind of blend that into my eyelids. Now we're going to use that dark orange color and we're going to just blend that into the crease. I'm going to take that burgundy color and add it in the end of our eyelid and in the inner tear ducts, just to put a little bit of dimension into the eye look. Using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm going to go ahead and cut my halo. Now it's time to use this beautiful golden color, the star of the show. I'm going to pop that right in the center until I'm satisfied with the intensity of that goldish color. Guys, if you ever want your shimmer colors to pop out a little bit more, you can use matte fix plus spray or any setting spray to make that color pop. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that until I'm satisfied with the color payoff. I popped on lashes and did a wing liner off camera. If you guys did not watch my last video, I'll put a link down in the description box. I'll show you guys exactly why I had to do that off camera. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of concealing because I am peeling, so we have to make sure everything is nice and smooth. I'm going to be using this dope foundation from Maybelline. Guys, this foundation is full coverage. It's amazing. Like, literally, I don't even think I needed to color correct because the way this coverage is set up, it's amazing. I love everything about it. I'm going to go ahead and highlight using the same concealer that I've been using throughout this whole entire video, which is the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan Sand. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all in. I've been sleeping on this product here from Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Mattifying Press Powder. Girl, this is the best press powder I've found yet. Like, it literally sets your face to perfection. Like, look at that. So smooth, so amazing. And now I'm going to go ahead and jump into the product I use all the time. You know, I always talk about this. This is the Micro Smooth from Sephora. I'm just going to set my entire face. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this Black Radiance contour palette and just contour my face, snatch it up, make everything nice and sharp. So as you guys know, whatever you do on the top, you have to do on the bottom just to balance out the eye look. So I'm just going to go ahead and just go through the same process that I did on top, on the bottom, and then add on some mascara. Since my makeup look is orangey, it does make sense for me to go ahead with an orangey blush. I'm using this blush from Makeup Forever. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight using this gorgeous highlight from also Makeup Forever. This is one of my favorite copper goldish colors. I felt like it went perfectly with this eye look. So I'm going to use a brown pencil from the beauty supply store just to outline my lips. Jump in there with the NYX Matte lipstick in the color Shy. Then to top it off, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is pretty much my finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys. Hello? Hey. Yeah, I just finished.
Picking it up, I'm loving, I'm living, I'm picking it up, I'm picking it up, loving, I'm living, so we turn it up, yeah, we turning it up. Ain't got no tears in my body, I ran out, but boy, I